Würth's Blue Gloves has a polyester lining with latex coating, instead of PVC rubber, or flexibility and grip. Extremely durable and breathable, yet cost-effective. Safety rating, 2132X, EN 388. Utilized in almost any industry, such as construction sites, pack warehouses, factories, handling of heavy or abrasive materials, and general laborers. Available in sizes 7, 8, 9 and 10.